Let's shout happy birthday, Sky! Three times! 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Sky!
Louder!
Happy birthday, Sky!
Pinakabusog!
Happy birthday, Sky!
Okay, now get ready, Mommy and Daddy, together with our birthday girl. Close your eyes and make a wish. In a count of 3, you blow the candle. Oh, excuse me. Paliw kong lighter. Sabi sa kanto mo, paliw kong gipos ani. Mag-blow sa candle ha. Wait lang. Again. Paliw kong gipos ani. Okay. Later sa play ha. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, palakpakan naman like this and gentlemen. Alright, Mommy and Daddy, please stand by here. And then you put your kid here. Now, may I request everyone to please sit down. And may I request all the ninongs and ninangs to come here at the front right now. Yes, where's the ninongs and ninangs?